To create this design, you need to add a cylinder with the 32 words. Then scale this cylinder along the z-axis and move it along the z-axis. Apply the scale. Go to the top view, go to the edit mode, select this top face and use the insert operation in this way. Then you need to select these faces and then E to extrude them and move them along the z-axis like this. Then snap 3D cursor to there. Then select these faces and use this spin tool. Go to the top view and rotate it in this way. Then go to the side view and rotate it like this. Then go to the front view and you can rotate it in this way. Then select the space loop and delete it. Then select everything, mesh and symmetrize. Take the symmetry. You will get this kind of design. Then shift A, mesh, add a cube. Take this cube here and select these two objects and shift Q, use the Boolean operation difference in this way. Take this cutter object here, go to the edit mode, select this word and adjust their position and create a slant cut like this. Then apply this Boolean modifier and delete this cutter object. Then select everything and press M and merge by distance so double words will get merged. Then select these faces and delete them. Select these faces and delete them. Select this edge loop and press F to fill the gap. Then delete these face loops. Then select this edge loop and control the add bevel on it. Add a 4 segment bevel and give the proper bevel width. Select everything, press M and merge by distance so double words will get merged. Then use the knife tool and create cut like this. Then dissolve these edges. Use the knife tool and create cut like this. And dissolve this edge. You can dissolve these edges also. Then you need to add a cylinder with the 24 words. And rotate it into 90 degree. And scale it down in this way. Then scale it along the y-axis. Then select these two objects and shift to use the Boolean operation difference. Then apply the Boolean modifier and delete the cutter object. Now you need to create right topology for this design. Delete one half of the model. Select everything, mesh and symmetrize, take the symmetry and delete this side. Select these words and press J to connect them. Then use the knife tool and create cut like this. And then dissolve these words. Select these words and press J to connect them. Then you need to add a loop cut set here. Use the edge slide and try to maintain the good curve at there. And then connect these words in this way. Try to adjust the curve like this. Then select everything, mesh and symmetrize, take the symmetry. Then select everything, mesh, symmetrize, take the symmetry along the minus y-axis. Then select these faces and press F to fill the gap in this way. So you will get this kind of design. Then select this edge loop and control the add bevel on it. Shape factor should be 1 and add a 2 segment bevel. Then select this edge loop and control the add bevel on it. And then take the symmetry along the y-axis. Then select this edge loop and press F to fill the gap and use the insert operation. And control B, add bevel on it and add loop cuts here. Then hit the control 2 and add the subdivision modifier and shade smooth it. Then you can select this edge loop in this way and use the set flow on them. Then take the symmetry. There you go. In this way you can get this kind of design. You can see the design, you can see the topology. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Take care.